Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use storage sense in Windows 11 to free up disk space automatically in your Windows machine. Now, to use storage sense in your Windows 11 to free up disk space automatically, the first thing you will have to do is you will have to enable storage sense in your Windows machine. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on system. Once you click on system again so that you see an option which says storage. So click on storage. Under this section, you will see an option which says storage management. So to turn on the storage sense, you will have to go ahead and toggle this button and enable the storage sense in your computer. Once you do this, click on the storage sense option. Under this section, also make sure keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up the temporary system and app files, and also turn on the automatic user content cleanup. Make sure this option has been turned on. As you scroll down, you can also go ahead and choose to configure your cleanup schedules. So you can decide to have when to run the storage sense in your computer. So from the drop down, you can choose if you want to run the storage sense every day. You may go ahead and choose every month, every week, or every day. So for the demonstration purpose, I will go ahead and choose every day. Delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days. So you can also choose when you want to delete the files from your recycle bins and delete it permanently. So by default it has been set to 30 days. In case if you want to increase or decrease, you can choose these options, or you can, if you want to never delete it, you can choose never. Same thing, delete files in my downloads folder if they have been opened more than. So choose the appropriate options here, whichever suits best for you. Once this is done, you may go ahead and click on run storage sense now. So this will go ahead and delete the files based on the settings what you have decided to use in your storage. This is how you can go ahead and use your storage sense in your Windows 11 to free up disk space automatically. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.